Today we're going to get into 5 ways that we can increase our shoulder mobility. We're going to break that up into 3 sections. It's going to be myofascial release, stretching, and then finishing with some activation. First exercise we're going to be using the foam roller. What we're going to do is we're going to start right at our mid-back, bottom of rib cage. We're going to cross our arms over our shoulders, lift your butt up, and then we're going to isolate between the shoulder blade and the spine. And then you're gonna roll up and down. We're gonna do about 10 reps per side. The next exercise, we're gonna be using this lacrosse ball. This is gonna be targeted at the tissues in the front of the shoulder. We're gonna put this up against a hard surface. You could do a corner or a doorway at your house. Place this firmly against here, hold it with your opposite hand, lean your weight into it, and then you're gonna put your arm through ranges of motion to loosen up that tissue. The next exercise is gonna be a stretch for our pecs. So that's gonna look like this up against a doorway or a rig. What we're gonna do is we're gonna step into it, palm flat, elbow against the rig, step through with the same leg, and then you're gonna turn your chest away and breathe deep into this stretch. Hold for 1 to 2 minutes. Our fourth exercise is gonna be like a common postural exercise. What you're gonna do, arms straight out to your side. You're gonna rotate your thumbs back as far as you can, and then we're gonna rotate in and out as we lift our arms up overhead. Okay, once you get up, we're gonna come all the way back down. Our last exercise is going to be down on the ground. What these are going to be addressing is upper back strength and rotator cuff strength. What we're going to do is lay face down on the ground, thumbs up towards the ceiling. We're going to start straight out to the side. You're going to squeeze those shoulder blades, hold for 5 seconds, relax, move those arms up overhead, squeeze the shoulders, hold for 5 seconds, relax. All right, guys, those are gonna be my 5 tips for improving shoulder mobility. If you do those daily with consistency, you should notice improvements in mobility and stability. Look below in the description for the sets and the reps. My name is Dr. Layne Palmer. I work here at Onnit Gym. Give me a follow if you enjoyed this video.